The first rule: always assume the gun is loaded. Make sure the magazine is unloaded. Point the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Never point the gun at something you are not willing to destroy. Even if the gun is unloaded, do not treat it as a toy. Think of the muzzle with a laser beam that destroys everything it crosses. Always be sure of your target and what is behind it. Be sure to keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to shoot. Be sure to follow these rules when handling firearms of all types.